Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their myriad health benefits, playing a crucial role in supporting our heart, brain, and overall well-being. Recognizing the warning signs of omega-3 deficiency is vital to maintaining optimal health. In this video, we'll delve into 10 telltale signs that your body may be crying out for more omega-3. 1. Unrelenting fatigue. If you find yourself battling persistent fatigue, even after a full night's sleep, it might be more than just a lack of rest. Omega-3 deficiency can affect energy levels, leaving you feeling drained and sluggish. 2. Mood swings and irritability. Are your emotions on a roller coaster? Omega-3s play a role in regulating mood and supporting mental well-being. If you're experiencing unexplained mood swings, anxiety, or irritability, it could be a sign that your omega-3 levels are out of balance. 3. Dry and dull skin. Omega-3s are essential for maintaining skin health, helping to lock in moisture and promote a healthy complexion. If your skin feels dry, flaky, or lacks its usual radiance, your body might be signaling a need for more omega-3. 4. Brittle hair and nails. Healthy hair and nails depend on proper nourishment, and omega-3 deficiency can lead to brittle hair that breaks easily and nails that are prone to splitting. 5. Joint discomfort. If you're experiencing joint stiffness, inflammation, or discomfort, omega-3's anti-inflammatory properties could offer relief. Inadequate omega-3 intake might exacerbate joint issues. 6. Poor concentration and memory lapses. Omega-3s are essential for brain health, supporting cognitive functions like memory and concentration. If you're struggling with brain fog, forgetfulness, or difficulty focusing, it might be time to consider your omega-3 intake. 7. Frequent illnesses. A compromised immune system can leave you susceptible to infections and illnesses. If you're falling ill more often than usual, it could indicate an omega-3 deficiency impacting your body's defense mechanisms. 8. Slow wound healing. Omega-3s play a role in the body's inflammatory response, which is essential for healing wounds. If you notice that your cuts and wounds are taking longer to heal, it might be due to inadequate omega-3 levels. 9. Vision changes. Omega-3s are beneficial for maintaining eye health, particularly the retina. If you're experiencing changes in your vision, dry eyes, or discomfort, consider the role omega-3s play in supporting eye function. 10. Elevated triglyceride levels. If your blood test results show elevated triglyceride levels, it could indicate an imbalance in your omega-3 to omega-6 ratio. Omega-3s are known to help lower triglycerides and promote heart health. Listening to our body's signals is vital for maintaining optimal health. If you resonate with any of these warning signs, it's time to take action. Incorporating omega-3-rich foods like fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts into your diet can make a significant difference. If needed, consult a healthcare professional to discuss omega-3 supplements. By addressing omega-3 deficiency, you're not just nourishing your body but also paving the way for better heart, brain, and overall wellness. Remember, small changes today can lead to remarkable improvements in your health tomorrow.